baking a cake right now. I'm gonna bake a cake and decorate it and everything. This is the inspirational incentive photo right here. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm so scared, but at the same time excited to make this cake because like I want to see if I can pull this. Oh, so yeah, I'm still wearing my robe because it's so cold outside. It's so cold outside. I was gonna do my laundry today, but like it's so cold outside, so that's a story for another day. So bake a cake with me.
Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love